That is what will happen if all trees die. No trees. No humans. Have you ever wondered what a world without trees would look like? Close your eyes, and try to imagine a desolate earth. There'd be no more paper, and everyone would have to resort to technological use, that is, if anyone was left. Trees are a crucial factor in our existence not only because they produce paper, lumber, and chewing gum, but because they serve an important role in the carbon cycle. And because of our ever-increasing population of 6.7 billion, that seemingly distant future is nearing each and every day. People have proposed many solutions to this environmental issue called deforestation, including either shipping everyone to the moon or to just stop cutting trees. Even if our species survived the devastation of deforestation, life as we know it would be very different from now in 2011, where only half of the world's forests are gone. Scientists speculate our great-grandchildren might not even have the chance to visit the great Amazon rainforest in 50 years. Yet in such a dry, lifeless world, no one would be left to experience the disastrous consequences of deforestation. Little tribulations like the decrease of property value and potential increase of urban noise become irrelevant compared to other calamities like roadside spills, animal wastes, water runoff into streams, and sewage/farm chemicals left unfiltered. For now, let's find out the local and global effects of deforestation. Filthy air. Without trees, humans would not be able to survive because the air would be unsuitable for breathing. If anything, people would have to develop gas masks that filter the little oxygen that would be left in the air. Trees are a crucial part of the carbon cycle, a global process in which carbon dioxide constantly circulates through the atmosphere into the organism and back again. Carbon is the second most valuable element to life, you know, after water. Anyway, trees take carbon from the atmosphere through photosynthesis in order to make energy. This carbon is then either transferred into oxygen and released into the air by respiration or is stored inside the trees until they decompose into the soil. Therefore, the absence of trees would result in significantly higher amounts of carbon dioxide in the air and lower amounts of oxygen. The filthy air would also be full of airborne particles and pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Lifeless soil. If the air hadn't already wiped out everybody, the next disastrous consequence of deforestation is its damaging effect on soil. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, 2.5 billion people depend on agriculture for their livelihood. If deforestation gets its way, those people won't be the only ones affected. The soil would become full of dangerous chemicals and pollutants that are usually filtered by trees. In addition, soil erosion is currently prevented by trees because they protect the land. However, the soil would be unprotected, and vulnerable to a reduction in soil quality and topsoil nutrients. Soil erosion would become more prevalent, and eventually, all the soil will lose its airability and agriculture will fall, leaving us people to starve. Arid conditions will surface not only because of dangerous unfiltered substances but also because at one point it will rarely rain. Sounds crazy, right? During the dry season, trees regulate and anchor the dirt by releasing water. Deforested areas, however, are liable to chronic droughts that obstruct river navigation, disrupt industrial operations, and kill crop production altogether. Storm water runoff, if it rains, not reduced, but increased, which contributes to small floods and topsoil erosion. Furthermore, trees add humidity into the air through transpiration, but the lack of trees results in the lack of moisture in the air. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications for more.